Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's lashing down with rain. I was going to go down to St Ives today to have a look at basically how packed, not packed it is. I don't think I'm going to do that now. I'll save that for another time, possibly next week. Maybe, or maybe even Friday. It's meant to be good weather Friday. Today they said it was going to be showers. I thought I'll shoot anyway, because the showers are meant to be, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? Short. Now this has been going now for about 15 minutes, and the sky ahead of me is where it's all coming from, so it doesn't look like it's going to clear up much. So yes, I know it's boring. I'm going to do a local video today, just a Redruth, Camborne, you know, the usual thing. And what have we got here? More roadworks, possibly? Big trench on the side of the road there, for some reason. I was looking at my channel, my refreshed channel, and yes, it's still low amounts of views, and I don't know, maybe it's because it's crap. I don't know. I think the only thing to do is, I don't like giving up on stuff, so maybe the only thing to do is just keep going, plugging on. You know, I have had spells like this in the past. See, the rain's getting harder again now. I don't think it's roadworks, I just think it's those traffic lights down there. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lady I know, if you'd like to go and see her, oh my god, I've forgotten her. She's called Rebecca. Rebecca's Travels, that's it. If you want to go and give her some love, not in that way, but, you know, in the form of views and maybe subscribe. She does this channel, and it really does get a very small amount of views. And personally, I don't think it deserves it. I think it deserves much more views than what it gets. So Rebecca's Travels, if you want to just go and give her a look, she's been going, I think 2014. She's been going a long time, and she's been plugging along with basically very little views. She's got a lot of subscribers, but that's because she's stuck with it for so long. So just go and give her channel a look, Rebecca's Travels. And that's kind of where I am right now. You know what subscribers I have got, they're amazing. You know, I love you guys. I don't know, you know, honestly, it puzzles me why you watch, but I'd just like a few more of you. I want to be greedy. I'd like a few more of you, but it is getting people to subscribe, and let's face it, it's a difficult thing I've chosen to do without realizing it first, because a lot of the channels on YouTube are video game channels or reaction channels, basically in a studio. You know, The background rarely ever changes unless they've got different light patterns going because they're gaming or something, I don't know. But this is my studio, you know? Excuse me. Oh, there's a learner down there. Which is fine, you know, we all have to start somewhere. But doing this, you know, if you're gaming, yeah, alright, you might be playing the same game for, you know, like the Running Man Z, or Running Man's. Sorry, got that wrong. Running Man's. He's been playing the same game since he started, and you know, he's got tons of views, you know. But with this, I have to keep it fresh, kind of, you know, a different location every day. And yeah. Let's try sunshine. And so yeah, it is a difficult thing to do, this vlog stuff. I've got something tickling my ear. I think it's my hair, which needs a little cut. That's it. Go to Redruth. Go to Redruth. Go to Redruth. Go to Redruth. Right. So you know the drill. Up through Mount Ambrose, down Redruth, past the plane station, train station. Be weird if they whacked up an airport during the night, wouldn't it? Oh dear. Just had an apple before I came out. I was feeling a bit hungry and I thought, there's the cheesecake there. And I thought, no, I'm trying to be healthy. I'm gonna cram in an apple quickly. I've forgotten how nice apples are. The Granny Smith ones. It's the only ones I eat. Really nice. I was biting into it. Juice was squirting everywhere. It was great. Apples. But yeah, I start eating more vegetables, and my weight is slowly coming down a little bit. You know, I'm not obese. I'm just a bit of a porker. So I'm gonna have to put a stop to that, because I'm a mature fellow. You know, I'm 52. So, you know, I wouldn't class myself as being old. I'm not an old fella, but I am getting up there, and you don't see too many large people going around in their 60s and 70s because their hearts kind of give out. Oh, now we're going that way. Right, okay, suddenly going that way. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it, because I want to be a skinny guy, skinny old man, where my heart is just, you know, doing the rumba. Instead of like just having to trudge through all the fat surrounding my heart. So I'm trying to be fitter. you're not going to get me. You're not going to get me. I did notice that it's been nearly 2 months since I was out Falmouth. So that might be an idea for next week. I mean, 2 months, that's enough to refit a ship, isn't it? I mean, maybe they've got something different in there. I don't know. No speed van. When I say speed van, I mean police van with the camera in it. He's not been here in a while now. Normally he parks right there on the right where that van is. Well, I hope you guys are having better weather than this, because not the best place to park, but there you go. Oh look, sunshine over there. We're here under the rain. So come over here, it's great. Well, I will be over there in a minute, because that's where Camborne is, so... Thank you. I remember the police used to give me hella for riding on the pavements. I mean, I know you shouldn't, but... roadworks. Now, are these the standard lights, or are they the... I don't know, don't know really. We're going. Oh look, great. That's because the main set of lights are out down here, look. Look at the eyelashes on that guy back there, wow. I reckon he combs them. Oh! Green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, please green, green, thank you. Oh. But yeah, I mean, I can't complain. I mean, over 4 days, my last video was like, it was 95 views. I guess that time when I was getting like 200 views over 2 days and so you get a bit spoiled, you know. You get a bit expectorant. Is that a word? Expectorant? Isn't that like a cough syrup? I just took some expectorant. I don't know. You just get used to stuff, and it's a bit disappointing when you're 4 days in and it's like 90 odd views and it's like, okay. But then again, I look at Rebecca's, bless her, you know, and she's done a video and it's been out for like 2 days and it's got like 4 views, and it's like, it does kind of put things into perspective. I'm not a massive channel, so I shouldn't be comparing myself to other channels. Oh, everyone's looking a bit sodden and a bit wet. I'm not sure what sodden means. I think it means drenched. Not that they're salts, It looks like we're going into the sunshine here. This is nice. Got some nice bolognese to make. I've made it. What are you on about? To eat. Some nice bolognese to look forward to later. I've got those little shells, the ones that trap the sauce. Tons of parsley. And I stick normal mince in, but then I'll get a tin of that Prince's minced beef and onion, the really finely minced beef, in like gravy, because it does add an unctuousness to it. Several 100,000 years later, she decides to go. That smart car nearly went up the back of that van then. Someone should have gone to Specsavers. Oh my god, has he got an AMG sticker on the back of that smart car? I know smart cars are made by Mercedes. But has he stuck it on itself, or is that an actual AMG smart car? No, surely not. There's still a little bit of rain around, a few clouds. I want that blue sky to come over here, over there on the right. Listen to me. I want the blue sky. I command you to come over here to me. Oh dear. I'm going to cross as slowly as possible, and I expect you to stop. Sorry, I'm in a bit of a sarcastic mood today. I know sarcasm is the lowest form of wit. Ranger. I bet that thing never sees a bit of dirt. God, that's a tall lorry. Whoa. God, I haven't said that in years. Whoa. I don't remember when you were a kid and something really impressed you, you go, whoa. Oh, that's ace. That's ace. That was another one of mine. That's ace. I think that's the most off-ground, off-road that truck does when it goes over a pothole. I had one of them, an old E46 Dolphin. I know you're thinking that's a car, Craig. It's not a Dolphin. That's basically kind of like the name they gave the shape of the car. Bloody lovely car, fast beyond belief. I mean, alright, it wasn't a supercar, but it ignored the fact that hills existed. It was a turbo diesel, and it just had endless torque. Well, I'm exaggerating there, not endless torque, but it had enough to surprise quite a few cars. The only thing I really didn't like about it was the stiff ride. It was a BMW, so it was a stiff ride. And on these roads, you know, at the end of the day, you'd get in, you'd feel like your back was broken. Oh, look at that! Traffic light gods are being nice to us. Thank you very much. So what we'll do is we'll get out, have a quick lap of Camborne. And now the sun's coming out. Lovely. Oh, green light. Just watch our speed down here, because sometimes the police like to park up here, and if you're doing slightly over 40, they'll have you. So I'm doing just under, just to be safe. I don't know if you heard it, but as that woman went by on the bike, she made a weird buzzing sound. I don't know if the bike was electric or anything, but I couldn't see a battery or anything. Maybe it came from her? Who knows? Old mine wheel, old mining wheel, or miners, just a mine. Bumps everywhere, bumps and potholes. I don't know if it lodged in my nose, but I got a waft of my bolognese then for some reason. Like an roadworks. Oh no, that's in there. The old council offices. Don't know what they're doing in there. Hopefully town isn't going to be too congested. Oh! Go, 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 go. Yes, just let them go. You've got all the time in the world. More roadworks over there. Right, let's see what weirdos, I mean people we can see in Camborne today. Front's smelling a bit rich. Ooh. It doesn't look too busy down there. I had a quick gander down the one way, so we'll head down there in a minute and have a look. Head down there and have a look. Down the one way. I don't know if any of you have been watching The Last of Us Part 2, but have you noticed how each episode Ellie seems to be getting more butcher and butcher? No, I'm not saying that because she's what is it, binary or something? The actual actress that plays her is binary. That's got nothing to do with it, but you know, let bygones, binaries be binaries, you know. But oh, here we go. Look, stick of the dump here. Yep, fresh from Glastonbury. But yeah, she just seems to be getting more butch and butch. I mean, like more muscly. You know, she started it off as, all right, let's be honest here. She was never the prettiest thing to start off with. You know, I wouldn't say that she was ugly, Bella Ramsey, but yeah, you know, I just can't be cruel. I don't want to be, but she has gone butch. I don't know what rubbish I'm talking about, but just something that's I've noticed as I've been watching season 2. I mean, they're doing a season 3 and 4. My God, I don't know what she's going to be like in those. Bodybuilder or something? Come on, zombies, I'll have all of you. Tax Hotel. I used to call that Tax Hotel. Right. Have a look at old Camborne. I've still got to come in here and renew my phone. Oh, are they? Oh no, the council. They're not policemen. Council, probably council enforcement officers or something like that. I don't know. Is someone trying to come out? I'm letting you out. Earth calling Mars. On the way back, I won't film it, it's hardly the height of excitement, but I'll pop some fuel in and head home. Head home to my bolognese. There we go. And there we go, guys. I'm going to end it here because God, that sounded quite solemn, didn't it? I'm going to end it here. I'm going to end it here because I don't really want to refilm the bit that I've just done, so. Cheeky. He didn't even look. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please. I hate to beg you, doggy. Doggy hanging out the window. Take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you again, guys. See ya.